Alright guys, we're back again with a little track time at the REIT Place Raceway. We're gonna get out our Custom 12. I need a little zen time. Need to relax. So this guy is a WL that I put a LC slipper clutch in. This is spare parts car I built a long time ago before I got my first LC. You see in there, the center is an LC slipper clutch with I made custom dog bone ends for the WL, so it's a WL front end and back end. It was the predecessor to my Carbon 12. I don't know if you guys remember that guy, but I haven't taken it out in a while and figured why not. Why not? And this is my other one's Lando. That's my Carbon 12 with the rear slipper, the steel one. It's a Gem RC slipper, and this is the LC slipper with the WL front and rear. So very similar cars. One's more like the EMBT, and this is more like the 12BH by LC. Now, LC's got a couple of new rigs out. I'm hoping to get my hands on something eventually, so I just need to zen out. Now this car is designed for this track, this size, and it's not worth the money I put into it, but it's cheaper than LC, so I guess it might be. But a lot of parts, a lot of broken parts, but you see it handles really nice. And it's kind of my prototype for what'll end up being a car I want to sell. That's the Carbon 12. Whoa, right over the edge. So hopefully my battery lasts long enough for me to get a couple runs in and check it out. It just runs smooth with the LC clutch. It's just right. Turn my steering up a little bit more so I can get a little quicker turning on it. It's probably been a good 2 months since I've driven this guy. Hear that slipper clutch wind up. That's how you know it's doing its job. So, like I was saying, with any luck, we're gonna have some more bench time. I got a bunch of cars to fix. TTO2B is probably next on the list.